What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Knife Life EDC. I was able to pick me up a new fixed blade today. It came in the mail from Blade HQ. I've been hearing a lot about the Esee brand, and just wanted to check them out. I've been wanting a new nice fixed blade for like outdoor purposes and stuff like that. And what I've been reading and looking at, like I kind of wanted to try out the Esee. So let's go and open that up. Got a big old box with it. Now, you might wonder why there's not a knife in here. I won't lie to you, I got a little excited when I arrived and I didn't even think about doing a first impressions. So I actually already had it opened and even put the clip to the Kydex holster thing. Crap, I can't think. Just got off work, so I'm a little tired. But so I've actually been kind of playing around with it for about the last half hour. I really like it. This is the Esee-3. I like the gray micarta handle. It's got a good handle on it. I was kind of surprised because I was kind of iffy on the micarta for a handle for a fixed blade. But after handling it for about the past half hour or so, whatever, I really kind of like it. It does have a lanyard hole and I think like a glass breaker. I'm assuming that's what that's for. Kind of 2-in-1 kind of thing. Let's kind of go through here and see the rest. I did take the paracord 550 cord thing off. It was going through here. These two holes on the Kydex holster. Didn't really care for it too much. Don't excuse me for the camera bump. Like I said, I'm excited, so my hands are flying everywhere. Sorry, but so I wasn't really feeling that, so I kind of just took it off. I don't know. Might put it back on. I don't know. But came with this little information, little paperwork right there. It came with a couple of cards. They're both like survival cards. If you look on the back, like it has like stuff like ground to air distress signals on both sides. It's kind of cool. I don't know. Yeah, I just kind of thought that was kind of a cool little thing to add to it since it is kind of like a survival type knife type thing, like an outdoors knife. Also a couple stickers, normal stuff. It also did come with like another one of these. I didn't like it as well as the Kydex. For some reason, I like Kydex a little better. But it actually looks pretty nice. So obviously, this would go onto this instead of this clip right here. Like you would just take that clip off and connect this to here, so it fits to your belt or whatever you want it for, your backpack or it's whatever you want it for. But I really like this, except for I noticed one thing I didn't like. If you look inside these, like right here, I already started trying to filing them down. Like I thought it was maybe just me, but like it fits so daggone tight in there. Like it's actually way better than what it was. But it was just really, really, really tight, like to where I had to like almost fight to kind of pull it out. And I didn't want to like accidentally like pull it too hard, cut myself, or accidentally have an accident and cause damage to someone, something, or myself, because I like my fingers where they are at. Yeah, prefer them on my hands. But so I started filing off these little clips right here. They're on both sides. I kind of just wanted to see if it would make it better. Like you can get sandpaper or something like that. Not much. It was just enough to kind of make it slide in there just a little bit better. But so yeah, it's 10 times better. I really do like this. I like the way it feels. It's got that little spot for your finger right there too, if you want it there. What I was kind of confused by was the kind of the texturing on there. I kind of want to look into that, see what that is exactly. Because yeah, I didn't know it was going to come like that. Like, not that it's a bad thing. It's just different. I didn't know it was going to come like that with the texturing on there. I don't know if it's just some kind of coating on it or something like that to maybe help with resistance or corrosion resistance or something like that. But I like the jimping too. It's kind of cool. Feels good on your hand, your thumb. I really don't feel like I want to, slip really. Man, my hands must be sweaty or something like that. I don't know. But that's what I don't like about it. Also, like whenever I grab it for a minute, like hold my hand there, like I don't know if it's I'm sweaty or what, but it really turns like ugly gray. But I do like that it's full tang also. Obviously, that's kind of what I prefer. I don't think I'd get one if it wasn't full tang. I think I got one actually, a Gerber. I don't know if it's full tang or not. it's like hidden in the handle if it is, but that was before I knew anything about knives. It's not saying that I know a lot about knives, but I know some. But the overall blade length, like I said, this is the Esee-3. The blade length is 3.875, and the overall length is 8.34. I really didn't want a ginormous one. Obviously, I'll get a bigger one later, but this is just kind of what I wanted for right now for an outdoor knife, just like if I go camp and stuff like that, hunting, fishing. This is what I really kind of wanted it for, and I think it's going to serve that purpose well. Yeah, like I said, got the gray micarta. It's 3.87 blade length, so it's perfect blade length I think for right now. And then 8.31 for the height, or excuse me, for the length. Like I said, I'm gonna look into this, see what this texturing is, or if anybody knows what that is for, please let me know in the comments section. If I haven't looked it up already, by the time this video is released, just let me know what it is. The blade material is the 1095. That's actually not surprising because I've actually. This one right here, I bought the Spartan Alala. It's the same thing. It's the 1095 Crovan. Oh, yeah, see? And I looked into it actually today, and it's not bad. I think it said something about corrosion. It's a little more susceptible to corrosion. I think rusting, that type of stuff. But obviously I think if you're taking care of your knives, you shouldn't have that too much problem. But yeah, this one was just more like a personal carry, just around the house. Well, obviously around the house because I like to carry knives around the house randomly. But also for like going into town, just out, stuff like that. This one's going to be like more for camping stuff, outdoor type stuff. But so I guess the steel's not too bad. Just didn't really know too much about it yet. But overall, I like it. Like I said, if you guys know what the texturing is, let me know. And if you like the video, just kind of give it a thumbs up or a like, and subscribe, please. Thanks.